Hi everyone! In this video, we will go deeply on Arizen. Here, you'll find Swing Wallet on the left and Arizen on the right. We start with a transaction from Swing to Arizen. So we paste our Arizen address on Swing and we send the amount. When waiting, we can view the transaction on the Blockchain Explorer. And after a few minutes, it's confirmed. Then we will try to import a private key on Arizen. So we obtain the private key we want to export. Here we will choose it from Swing. In Arizen, we click on Import Private Key. We paste the private key we want to import. And then, the address and its transaction history are imported. Now, let's see the batch split feature. This function is used to split the amount of one address to many addresses in one time. So choose the address you want to split, the amount, and the addresses you want to send it to. You can see here that the amount is the chosen one for the first 6 addresses, and the remaining amount is on the last address chosen. You can view the transaction in the wallet transaction history. You will see another transaction upcoming with the fees. Now, let's see the batch withdrawal. As opposed to the batch split, the batch withdrawal permits to withdraw a certain amount on many addresses in one time. So choose the addresses you want to withdraw something from, the address you want to send it to, and the amount you want to keep on each address. After a few minutes, you can see that all the amount is now on one address. Now, let's send some ZEN to our Coinomi wallet. Copy your Coinomi address and paste it on Arizen. Send the amount you want to send. You can view the transaction on Arizen and Coinomi. Now, let's see various ways to back up the wallets. You can do encrypted and unencrypted backups. You can also export your private keys. We hope that you enjoyed this video and have a nice experience on Arizen.